This is Milani, Chapter 12, Section 5, Problem number 18. In this problem, it says, find the equation of a tangent line, which my equation is f of x is equal natural log of x, and my point x is 1, my y is 0. But I need a slope. In order for us to find the slope, I have to find the derivative. Derivative of a natural log of x is going to be 1 over x. When I do have my derivative, I can find the slope by replacing x letter by the x value, which is going to be 1 over 1 equal 1. That is my slope. I do have a point. I do have the slope. Then I will plug it in a slope point formula. Y minus y1, which is 0, is equal, don't forget right here is my slope, then x minus x1, which is x1 is 1. Now, from the first side, I'm going to just get y. From the second side, when I distribute the 1 by inside the parentheses, which is become x minus 1, and that is the equation of a line. In the same PowerPoint, I will go over problem number 13. Problem number 13 is involving with the 3 rules of the derivative. The first one, I have an x exponent 2 times natural log. It means I'm dealing with the product rule. And then my second part, it says natural log. That means I'm dealing with the derivative of a natural log. And inside, I have exponential function, which I'm dealing with that. Again, 3 different derivatives. Product rule. Inside this box, I'm going to write that down. The derivative of a first part is going to be 2x. Then here, I'm going to get the derivative of a second part. But don't forget, I'm dealing with the natural log. Means derivative of this part divided to the carbon copy. Derivative of e to the exponent 2x is going to be 2 e to the exponent 2x. Derivative of a 1 is going to be 0. Then over divided to this carbon copy. I cannot reduce anything. Now I go with my product rule. From the first side, f of x is become f prime of x. Then derivative of a first part, which is right here, 2x times the second part. Then plus derivative of a second part, which is this, times my first part. Now, I do have an addition of 2 parts now. This is no complicated problem. From these 2 terms, I do have a G problem, the GCF. I have a 2. I do have a 2. I have a x, and I have a x. Then the GCF is going to be 2x. After the taking out the GCF, from the first term, I have this is left. And the plus from the second term, don't forget, this 2 is out. One of these x is out. Then I can write it down the other x from here in the top, and that will be my answer.